Keeping your pet clean is vital for their health and happiness. Regular cleaning not only keeps their fur and skin healthy, but it also prevents matting, reduces shedding, and keeps those unpleasant odors at bay. A clean pet is a comfortable pet, and a comfortable pet is a happy pet. Think of it this way. Just like we humans enjoy a refreshing shower or bath, our furry friends benefit from regular cleaning too. It helps remove dirt, debris, and allergens that can accumulate in their fur. Furthermore, maintaining good hygiene for your pet can help you detect any skin issues or parasites early on. This allows you to address any problems promptly and ensures your pet receives the necessary care. Remember, a clean pet is a healthy pet, and a healthy pet brings joy to everyone around them. Before you begin the cleaning process, it's essential to have all the necessary supplies within reach. This will make the experience smoother and less stressful for both you and your pet. For starters, you'll need a shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for your pet's fur type. Using human products can disrupt their skin's pH balance and lead to dryness or irritation. Next, gather some soft towels, a bowl of warm water, and a few treats to reward your furry friend's cooperation. A rubber bath mat can prevent slipping, while a spray nozzle attachment for your faucet can make rinsing easier. Lastly, don't forget a brush or comb suitable for your pet's coat. This will help remove any loose fur before and after the bath, minimizing shedding and mats. Bath time can be a fun and bonding experience for you and your dog with the right approach. Start by choosing a time when your dog is relaxed, and use a calm, reassuring voice throughout the process. First, place your dog in the tub or designated bathing area, ensuring the water temperature is lukewarm and comfortable to the touch. Wet their fur thoroughly, avoiding the eyes and ears. Next, apply shampoo and gently massage it into a lather, working from head to tail. Rinse the shampoo completely, as any residue can irritate the skin. Follow with a conditioner if desired to keep their coat soft and manageable. Finally, wrap your dog in a towel and dry them as much as possible. You can allow them to air dry or use a hairdryer on a low, cool setting, keeping a safe distance from their skin. Section 4. Feline Hygiene, a step-by-step guide. Cats are known for their meticulous grooming habits, but they still benefit from occasional baths, especially if they have long fur or get into something messy. Unlike dogs, most cats aren't fond of water, so patience and a gentle touch are key. Begin by brushing their fur to remove any loose hair and mats. If your cat has long fur, consider using a detangling spray. Fill a sink or basin with a few inches of lukewarm water and gently place your cat inside. Use a cup or pitcher to wet their fur, avoiding the head area. Apply a cat-specific shampoo and work it into a lather, being careful around their eyes and ears. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, ensuring no soapy residue remains. Wrap your cat in a towel and dry them as much as possible. A hairdryer can be used on a low, cool setting, but maintain a safe distance and monitor their comfort level closely. Section 5. Tips and tricks for stress-free cleaning. Making the cleaning process as stress-free as possible for your pet is essential. Here are a few tips and tricks to make bath time or brushing more enjoyable for everyone involved. Positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and toys to create a positive association with cleaning. Reward your pet for good behavior, making them more likely to cooperate in the future. Gradual introduction. If your pet is new to bathing or brushing, introduce these activities gradually and patiently. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as they become more comfortable. Choose the right time. Opt for a time when your pet is relaxed and receptive to handling. Avoid bath time or brushing when they're feeling anxious, stressed, or overly excited. Keep it consistent. Establish a regular cleaning routine to make it a predictable and less stressful experience for your pet. This will help them adjust and know what to expect. Section 6. A cleaner pet, a stronger bond. Regular cleaning not only benefits your pet's physical health, but also strengthens the bond you share. The act of caring for your furry friend in this way deepens your connection and builds trust. When you take the time to bathe, brush, and groom your pet, you're engaging in a form of physical touch that releases endorphins, both for you and your companion. This creates a sense of well-being and strengthens the emotional bond between you. Moreover, a clean and well-groomed pet is more enjoyable to be around. You'll be more inclined to cuddle, play, and interact with your furry friend, further solidifying your bond. Remember, the time and effort you invest in keeping your pet clean are an investment in their health, happiness, and the special bond you share.